Hey everyone, I wanted to send you a quick reading from a place called Londolozi in South Africa. It's a game park, a safari place, and I've been here immersed into nature for the past 6 days, doing game drives, but also just being here in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of the bush. You fly like a little propeller plane here. There's not really normal roads or anything, and it's amazing how much the earth talks when you're willing and have the space to listen. And I just wanted to talk a little bit about the energetics of nature, because this is one of the places where I've been able to actually have conversations about it with people who may never have heard about energy or energetics or space before. And here it's so natural, it's nearly impossible not to get it. It's so apparent, the energetics of the bush, the energetics of when animals come or not come, when things shift and change just by one person changing their point of view or who they're willing to be, then the whole situation, the whole car, the whole drive shifts and changes. I guess being available to receive them, that's the energy somehow that often pulls them on the drives. We're willing to know that our point of view creates our reality, and also know that what we be is something we create every single day, and what we're willing to receive and what we're willing to step into also becomes greater every day. I would love to invite all of you to really, wherever you are in the world, whatever season it is, how much nature you have around you or not, like just take a few minutes today and just go out and notice what you can receive today from the earth and from the magic all around you that you may never have been able to receive before today. Okay, bye. Oh.